See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Okay. Okay.
Now, what caused our quarrel? After that, Jeremiah now promised to buy me a car. I still have the chat of that in between me and Chris, where they said choose any car of your choice. I chose Lexus first. They said it was expensive. Then I now chose Mercedes that was 45 million. Jeremiah said he was going to buy that one for me. Chris now said that he should pay the money to his account. When we, because I didn't have Jeremiah's number, we're always talking on three-way call. So when we finished the call, I asked Chris, why would they pay the money to your account? Chris said that sometime Jeremiah Omoto Fufin came to his church and got someone pregnant.
Let's be careful not to call in, because now I don't want us to drag Prophet into this matter. Let it be between you and Pastor Chris.
Okay, fine. But there's no way you will tell this story. There's no way you will tell this story without bringing Jeremiah. I had a chat with Jeremiah yesterday, and I told him, I said, after all I did for you, you allowed Chris to lock me up.
Computer, take that part back again.
They pay the money to your account. Chris said that sometime Jeremiah Omoto Fufin came to his church and got someone pregnant.
Let's be careful not to call in, because now
everything Doris Ogala revealed on this Daddy Freeze live is a whole lot. We will take it bit by bit. From the part where, if you want to expose Jeremiah Omoto Fufeyin, they will set you up, or they'll send a girl to come at you so that they can blackmail you. From the part where she talk about, oh, there was a missing child in Prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufeyin's church, to this part where Chris Okafor, Pastor Jeremiah's friend, alleged that, according to Doris, that Prophet Jeremiah, they come in church, come they give girls belly. Now, let me tell you something. This is the part that interests me. You know why? Because I know for a fact that a lot of women have been taken advantage of in these churches. Now, you see that my phone where they with EFCC. You see this period is lucky that that phone they with EFCC. It's very, very lucky. Because you see from that phone, if I start, nobody go near that church again. That's why I was looking at him when they go court. I said, these people, they don't even know what they're playing with. Now, this is the reason why I made this video, right? Any woman where Prophet Jeremiah don't take advantage of, all in the name of a pastor in that church, because there are a lot of them. Any woman where Prophet Jeremiah don't knock, where go the church for deliverance or something, he put you for that hotel where did that church. Then from there he knock you. You can come to me. If you fear say they go arrest you, nobody will touch you in this country. All those things what they do behind before, where they go use police, use from back, use connection, detain you, keep you quiet. It can't work. Come to me, I will protect you. If you want to say your story, come. I'll give you my platform to say your story. Some of you have been traumatized by what these so-called men of God do to you. A lot of you, I don't hear talks for that Christ Mercy land there. I've heard a lot. So you see now, I'll give you a platform. I'll protect you. Do you understand? We go come, we go put our public, we go write. Nobody touches you. Come and say the trauma that you have been going through. Come and see how they took advantage of you. And like I said, the biggest lock will happen to Jeremiah today. Now say my other phone, they with TFCC. Ooh! If TFCC, give me that phone now. Church Agbasa. According to Splash. Church Agbasa. That's number one. Number two, that's not the main one. Number two, a little bit. I'll come back to this whole thing later, right? Chris Okafor. There's no way you will tell me, say, you know, fuck this one. You know, touch Doris Ogala. Right? But here's the thing. I saw one nonsense where you really talk for your church. Like, you try one of your members. Are you not the same people that preach that you should not have premarital sex? Until they call them, if you never marry, keep yourself. So you, pastor, where they preach, they go around, they sleep with your members. They sleep with different women. So you see what I tell you people? I tell you people about these churches and these men of God. I've told you this thing is a business in Nigeria, fam. I've told you, you people think very dark man is just speaking against the body of Christ. There's no body of Christ. There's no body of Christ in Nigeria. It's not there. These so-called men of God go around sleeping with people's wives. People's wives go to them for deliverance. They put their finger in their toto and tell them that this is the place you need the healing. Then the woman goes, Oh, Papa. Oh, Daddy. Oh, Daddy. They do it like this. Receive. Yes, Daddy. Oh, receive. Oh, yes, Papa. Oh, Daddy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Then they go slow. Then they go slow. Then it's inside. Then they go like this. Then they go like this. Then they go like this. Then they be like, okay, yes. Now it's time for me to put it in. She begs. Oh, yes, Papa, put it in. People's wives have been bended by these so-called men of God. That's why some of them don't even respect their husbands at home. But we are not going to digress. I'm not going to digress. The main reason for this video is simple. All those people where they go Christ mercy land, where you know say Jeremiah don't knock you, and you know like the way he treats you. Come to me. Come and share your testimony. Do you understand? Come and share your testimony. I got you. Nobody can touch you. Those intimidation by police, they are not going to near you anymore. After all, I actually don't tell police to me they won't pull out from all these people. So I'm ready to take you guys. Come. Oh, guess what? I even have an office now. You know, we are global now. We are more global. We have been global, but we are very, very global now. Ain't nobody going to touch you. Pull up. I got you. Peace of love. Don't play.